Welcome to puzzle time. We have a fun defensive puzzle today. And let's see, what would the clue be? Common sense defense. There you have it, common sense defense. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our puzzle today. We're sitting west and open up the bidding 3 diamonds. Now 3 diamonds is showing 7 diamonds, generally 7 diamonds, always exceptions, and 4 to 9 high card points. All right, so 3 diamonds opening. North makes a takeout double. So at the 3 level, North's showing a little bit more than they would if West had opened 1 diamond. So maybe like 14 plus points, including short suit points, and support for the other 3 suits. Partner passes. That's a telling call there, because if partner had 3 diamonds, they would further the preempt to bid 4 diamonds based on the law of total trump. So East pass there is a big clue that East does not have diamond support. Maybe 0, maybe 1, maybe 2 diamonds, but not 3 diamonds. And South bids 5 clubs and it goes all pass. All right, so let's subtract from the number rule of 14. Although they are in 5 clubs, it's our starting point because of the preemptive bidding. It's not as clear as, say, like a 1 spade, 2 spade, 4 spade auction, right? But we're going to start with rule of 14. And West has 7 high card points. So they subtract 7 from 14, which leaves East approximately 7 high card points. Now, approximately means within 1 or 2 points. So, well, we know partner doesn't have diamond length because they failed to further the preempt. So we're going to go ahead and lead out diamonds. Now, when you're defending at the 5 level and you have ace king, you lead the king, right? There's 3 exceptions to leading the ace from ace king, and one of them is leading versus the 5 level. So the king of diamonds is led, and North dummy comes into view. Ooh, a very daunting dummy here, right? Lots of tricks in hearts and spades. And we know partner doesn't have 3 diamonds. So let's see, let's count some diamonds here. West is looking at 7 diamonds, 2 diamonds in North's hand, that's 9. So there's 4 diamonds between East and South. And East would have furthered the preempt with 3 diamonds. I keep coming back to that clue in the auction, right? East pass is showing less than 3 diamonds. So diamonds could be 2-2. Right? East has 2 diamonds and South has 2 diamonds, in which case we're going to get 2 diamond tricks. But we need a 3rd trick to set 5 clubs, right? Diamonds could be, right? 4 diamonds outstanding. Diamonds could be 3-1, with South having the 3 and partner having the 1. So we have a potential, oh, we could play the ace king of diamonds, partner discards on the 2nd round of diamonds, and lead a 3rd round of diamonds and hope that partner can over trump the 9 of clubs. All right. Diamonds could be 4-0 and we have the same defense, right? Diamond, 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 rough. All right, so the first trick goes 4 diamonds by dummy, and partner plays the 3, and South follows with the 5. Now I'm going to leave that trick up. So many clues in trick 1. And I've said before, one of the things you can do for your game, you don't have to tell your partner you've been doing this, is memorize the first trick. Okay, so 4, 3, 5, king. The spot cards included. Oftentimes we can remember the honors, but the spot cards are what really tell the story. So we see 2 more cards. We see 2 more diamonds. Right? So there's only 2 outstanding diamonds. From West's perspective, that's the queen of diamonds and the jack of diamonds. So let's dive into 3rd hand play. If East had the jack 3 of diamonds, they would high low. They play high jack of diamonds, 3 of diamonds, playing standard signals, right? Standard attitude. High low with the doubleton jack 3 of diamonds. If they had the queen jack 3rd and for some reason didn't raise 3 diamonds to 4 diamonds based on the law of total trump, they would have played the queen at trick 1 to promise the jack, either showing a singleton queen or promising the jack. But in this case, East played the 3. So the two options are, it's a singleton 3, right? Singleton diamond 3, and diamonds are 3-1. So we go for the ace, king of diamonds and diamond rough, right? Or it is the diamond queen 3. Now, either way, if we can just get partner on lead and have partner lead a heart back, look at that. West has a void in hearts. If we could just get the ace, king of diamonds, right? 2 diamond tricks and a heart rough, that would be our third trick. That would be our down trick. So instead of trying to give partner a rough, we want to visualizing trying to get partner on lead to lead us a heart. Well, if we lead a spade, partner's not on lead. If we lead a heart, partner's not on lead. If we lead a club, partner's probably not on lead, okay? So it has to be in the diamond suit. So what we want to do at trick 2, instead of catching that ace of diamonds, right, we want to go for the sure defense to underlead our ace of diamonds over to the 2 possibilities, either East holding queen doubleton, queen 3, or East holding the singleton diamond and they trump the second round of diamonds. And by leading a low diamond, that would be a suit preference signal to say, hey, partner, between the 2 remaining suits, not clubs, those are trump, not diamonds, because you're roughing, I want you to lead the lower ranking of spades and hearts. So when East gets on lead with either the queen of diamonds, okay, or by trumping the second round of diamonds, they know to lead a heart back because of the suit preference signal. So let's see how this plays out. King of diamonds. Everybody plays low. The 3 of diamonds is very telling because there's only 2 outstanding cards after trick 1, and that's the queen and the jack, right? And we know East doesn't have queen jack 3 because they would have played the queen at trick 1 to show where their entry was. That's a third hand play there. So in this case, West continues with the 2 of diamonds over to East. Now, West doesn't know if East is trumping because the 3 was a singleton, or if East is winning the queen from queen 3 doubleton. On this hand, East wins the queen of diamonds and interprets the 2 as a suit preference signal because West is underleading their ace, right? Anytime you underlead a big honor, yeah, that's a suit preference signal you're sending. And between spades and hearts, the heart is the lower ranking suit. And East returns a heart for West to win. Now, if we show all the cards, right? Declare, look at Declare's hand. They're thinking, wow, I got this easy. They get 2 diamond tricks on the 3rd round of spades, high spades. I can discard a heart away. I don't even have to take a heart finesse. I've got solid clubs. I've got 9 of them, right? South is just thinking this is a slam dunk 5 club until the defense goes king of diamonds, small, 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 and West works out that that 3 is either a singleton queen or queen 3 doubleton. It can't be jack 3 doubleton because East would have played the jack as a high-low signal, right? If East had jack 3 of diamonds, they would have played the jack at trick 1, playing standard signals. Yeah. So West underleads their ace to their partner's queen and gets a heart back for the setting trick. Pretty cool defense there. All right, so lots of things for West to think about. Are they trying to give their partner a rough, or are they trying to get a rough themselves? And they can see the heart rough. It's just a matter of getting to partner's hand. And knowing your third hand rules will get you there. Okay. Well, we have third hand play as a class this Friday, and the video will be out the following Wednesday if you want to wait for the video. So if you're interested in third hand play technique, join me on Friday or grab the video. Monday, we're going to have modern takeout doubles. That's a change in schedule. We were going to skip a week, but we're going to finish up all of our classes in July, and then August will be a summer break. We'll still have mini lessons, but no 10 a.m. classes in August. That does it for our puzzle time. If you have any questions, you know where to find me, Donna@playbetterbridge.com. Thanks for joining me.